What? Why are you being so cute? What? I've been reading my book and I hear someone being cute and laying their chin on my lap. And it's none other than my Boo Boo Boy. Yeah? He won't let me read my book. Oh, he's being loud. Oh, he's been. Boo Boo Boy, let me read my book, please. I need to get on with my reading. Can you please help me? You won't? You won't? Lay down, Papa. Calm down. Lay down. Good, Papa. Now you lay down there so I can read my book, okay? I think that's a deal. Thank you. All right, I need to get back. Please, let me go. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Lay down. Thank you, mister.